Hey guys, good morning. So it's Sunday again and we are heading towards another destination. So it's called Bilikal Rangasamy Betta, which is around 65 kilometers from Electronic City. So guys, it rained heavily yesterday. I don't know how the condition would be. So around 4 kilometers is off-roading, so if it continues to rain then it will be a problem. So let's see. Now also it's drizzling. I hope it stops soon. So this time we have planned to take the Kanakpura road, so we will be heading to the destination via the Nice road. So I'm heading towards the meetup point. So I will wait at the Nice stall for my friend to join and then we will start. Stay tuned guys. So guys, I have reached the meetup point. So this is a Nice toll gate. It's still drizzling. I hope it stops soon. The weather forecast says that it will be a rainy day. So not sure whether we'll be able to make it up to a destination. Let's see. So guys, we have entered the Nice road. We'll take exit towards the Kanakpura road. And this is Harsha on his R15. Oh, I forgot my gloves, man. The rain must stop, man. It will spoil our ride if it rains in Bilikal Rangasamy Betta. So guys, this is the Kanakpura exit. Nice view guys. It's still drizzling. Hard luck. So guys, we are still in Kanakpura road. I think after 1 kilometer we have to take a left. So it has stopped drizzling and sky seems to be clear. So some good signs at last. I hope it continues the same way guys. If it rains then we are screwed. I'm waiting for Harsha. I don't know where he has stopped. Guys, we have taken a small break and Harsha is also here. We are starting back again around 33 kilometers more and it shows 1 hour. So let's see how long it takes. Let's go. So guys, now the sky is clear. So I don't think it will rain anymore. Let's wait and watch. So guys, we have taken a diversion from the highway and we have entered the local village road. Bilikal Betta is around 15 kilometers from here. Amazing guys, look at this. Too good. Wow. So guys, we have reached the entry point of Bilikal Betta, but the locals told that there is some inspection going on by the forest department, so no entry is permitted today. Hard luck guys. The climate was also good, no rains. We'll be heading towards Chinchi Falls right now. Okay, so guys, we are heading towards Chunchi Falls. It's around 37 kilometers from here, so it will take around 1 hour. So see you guys out there. Hard luck, man. I badly wanted to visit this place, but unfortunately it was open yesterday, but today there is some inspection going on. And I've heard that they have sent around 100 bikers back, and we could see few guys going back, and even they did not give us any signs of this place being closed today. Okay, what to do? So before the rain starts, we'll have to reach Chunchi Falls, visit that place, and then head back towards home. Let's see. So guys, we have reached Chunchi Falls. I'm just trying to find out the place to park. Okay, here it is, Chunchi Falls. Let's go. Okay, so here's the parking. Let's park our bike and then move ahead. So guys, finally we are walking towards Chunchi Falls. We made it. We have parked our vehicles over there, the parking, and then oh, this looks good. The view. Waterfall seems to be really huge here. Let's see. This is the falls. Finally. This is too good. Really big. You guys standing over there. Let's see. I hope we can go until the falls, but let's see. Really good, man. Nice view. It's Sunday, so there are a lot of people over here. You have to see, find a place wherein there is not much of a crowd, and then we relax for a bit and then start back in an hour. So that's Harsha coming. So let's walk. Nice. Hidden route there. They are not allowing normal public to go there. Okay, we have paid around 250 per person. Looks really good. If we come till here and if we don't visit the falls, then it's waste, man. Wow, this looks amazing. Superb, yeah. Hey, slowly, huh? Watch out. Yes. Be really careful.
show you the route, man. It's so scary. Whoa. Fuck. Hey, slowly, slowly, huh? Man, this is so scary. Oh. Wait, 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 man. Slowly, slowly. Lean towards this side. Ah, great, great. Come, come. I should have got some other shoes, man. Yeah. Wow. Really good. This way. Yes. See the waterfalls from nearby, guys. This is the waterfall. Whoa! Man, this is crazy. See the view. I think we can go further down. Let's go there and catch it. Be careful. We'll keep everything here. Man, this is really scary. Whoa. Watch out, watch out. Slowly, slowly, and slippery over here. How are you going to climb up, man? Wow. Woo! Be careful, man. It's slippery out here. Too good, man. Too good. Amazing, guys. What else we could have asked for? Too good. How is it, man? Enjoying? Fully wet. Yeah. Oh, too good. Guys, मजे next level, ultimate, too good. जितना भी बोलो कम है, guys. Must. Nice experience. अभी हम ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. We are heading back to the top again. This is the route which we came in. Come. Again guys, scary route. We are going up. पूरा जंगल. Guys, we have reached the top, and this is the guy who helped us. Nice location. We'll relax here for a bit, and then we'll start back. Guys, पूरा भीग गए हैं. Too good of an experience. बहुत सही था. So without a guide, you cannot go and visit the waterfalls. So you'll have to pay around 250 per head. That's what we paid. Maybe if you have more people in your gang, you can probably bargain. But guys, if you visit this fall and don't go near to the water, then it's waste. Okay, do visit, go near to the falls, and then experience that, man. It's magical, it's awesome, too good. So guys, we are heading towards parking. The experience was really amazing. It's just 2 hours ride from Bangalore Electronic City, and you can plan a single day trip out here. And if you are coming out with kids and family, it would be difficult to go near to the falls. Otherwise, you can have that nice experience. It's a bit crowded also, so probably if we come in a bit early, there won't be much of a crowd. Nice landscape, nice view. And that's the fall, guys. Chunchi Falls. Chunchi Falls for you. So guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'll see you guys soon in next vlog. So until next time, keep safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye.